Here I've got Honor View 20 and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at first open list of all settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System. Now click on Reset, which is under Backup and Storage. And here you will notice Reset All Settings. So tap on it and now come along with the notification, because you have to be aware that this operation will reset all network settings, fingerprint, face recognition data and also lock screen password. So if you truly want to perform it, click on Reset All Settings. Now draw the pattern if you have one and confirm the decision that you would like to perform this reset of all settings. So click over here, remember that this operation cannot be undone and just wait a while. So that's it. From now on, all the settings have been reset. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.